So sky is a major part of many landscape paintings, so let's see what kind of blue we can get out of these three different blues. This is an ultramarine. Okay, you notice it has a purplish tint to it, all right? Clean it up. There's a purplish blue, and that's often in the summertime, usually high altitude kind of blue sky, all right? Moving right over to cobalt blue. This blue is good for those nice summer days. Again, summer days, but not high altitude. This is more as if you're near the ocean and the sky there is there, and you get a real chromatic blue sky. The cobalt is good to roll with, okay? Now it's a little light. Add a little bit more of the cobalt in there, and you'll see. And the reason the cobalt is good in lower altitudes is it doesn't turn as purple. It keeps a certain warmth of the day and the ground colors. Now we're going to go with the cerulean. Cerulean, different story. Cerulean often is best used on or near the horizon of a sky where it meets the land masses, okay? It has a kind of a greenish look to it, so that's why it looks better towards the horizons. It doesn't create such a contrast against whatever green trees will be down there. And also, the thing about cerulean is it's good for mornings at the bottom of the painting, morning blues. So here, look what we have here. We have these a morning blue, bottom of the sky blue, middle of the day, down low altitude, middle of the day, high altitude, ultramarine blue. And with these three, you can do a lot of manipulations of your paintings.